Today we will be making this very refreshing Filipino appetizer. It's no other than my all-time favorite, Tuna Kinilaw. Let's get started. So guys, look how fresh they are. We'll be using 400 grams of fresh yellowfin tuna. We have to keep in mind and make sure that we use only fresh fish in this recipe because the taste of the dish will depend on how fresh the fish that we use. First, I'll cut the tuna into medium-sized cubes. In our recipe, you can also use some other fish like salmon, mackerel, trout, or swordfish. Then, I'll now drizzle some olive oil. The olive oil protects the fish from too much acidity so that we won't overcook our fish. Now some lime zest. Normally we add the acid already, but in this recipe, I'll just add the zest first because we want only the freshness from the peel of the lime. So we don't want to cook it immediately. For now, let's avoid putting salt and pepper because it will dry our fish, and we'll let it sit in the fridge while we are making our dressing. So first off, let's thinly slice our red onion. Next is the cucumber. Slice both ends and rub it to take out the bitterness of the cucumber. Of course, let's mince the ginger. Then I will add mango. The mango will add some nice different note to our kinilaw. So the mango will make our kinilaw so unique. Lastly is the avocado, to add some nice buttery and nutty flavor to our dish. Now in one bowl, let's combine everything together. I'll add some basil, and for the acid, I'll put some lime juice and vinegar. Now the salt and pepper. And of course, it won't be kinilaw without the coconut milk. Now let's incorporate the fish to our dressing and mix it really well. And this is optional, but if you want to have some kick, and why not, I'm putting siling labuyo from Mamacita's, or you can also put other kinds of chilies just to have a really nice heat. Now you can choose whether you want to serve it right away, or you can also heat up one pan, put some olive oil. I'm gonna toast some brioche buns and put our scrumptious tuna kinilaw sa gata on top. Enjoy, guys! Let me know how you like my version of Tuna Kinilaw. Send your requests down below. I would love to hear and answer your questions. Like, share, and subscribe. And now you can make your own Tuna Kinilaw at home. See you in our next recipe video, guys. Ciao!